What is a sexually transmitted disease or infection? STDs are infectious diseases that are most often spread by sexual intercourse. You are wrong if you think you can only get infected through sexual intercourse. STDs can be spread through various ways. How is it spread? STDs are spread by having oral, vaginal, or anal sex with a person who has the disease, or having sex with someone who has had multiple sex partners. Direct skin-to-skin contact with the mouth or genital with someone who has the infections, sharing needles or syringes for drug use or tattooing, and no condom or improper use of condoms. How common are STDs? There are about 20 million new cases of STDs each year in the United States. About half of these infections are in people between the ages of 15 to 24 years old. About 1 in 8 people age ranging from 14 to 49 has genital herpes. The CDC estimates that undiagnosed sexually transmitted infections cause about 24,000 women to become infertile each year. Another scary statistic from the CDC, of the 1.1 million people living with HIV, 1 in 7 of them don't know it. How will I know if I have an STD? Many STDs don't cause noticeable symptoms. The only way to know for sure is to get tested. Can STDs be cured? Very few are curable. Your doctor can prescribe medicine to help manage the symptoms of the disease. What can I do to protect myself? Abstain from sex. That does not mean just vaginal intercourse. This includes anal and oral contact too. It is perfectly okay to say no to sex. Practice mutual monogamy. That means you and your partner both agree to only have sexual contact with each other. Use condoms. It is important to use them correctly. Talk to your partner about how you both will prevent STDs and pregnancy. Your partner should always respect your right to say no to anything. When under the influence of drugs and alcohol, you're more likely to take risks. Never mix drugs/alcohol and sex. And most importantly, make sure you have access to the health care you need. Talk to a nurse or ask your doctor about STD testing and vaccines for HPV. Where can I get tested? Resources on testing and additional information can be found in the video description.